Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, 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 ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, even yesterday I have called.
जल्दी नहीं यार
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the exercises which you have given yesterday.
बताओ तुम्हारे वहां से फोन आया था क्रेडिट के लिए कैसे होगा? हाँ लाइव हो गया। हाँ लाइव हो गया।
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, coming.
Ma'am, it is coming and there is lots of background noise.
मैम आपका वीडियो ठीक से नहीं है.
Ma'am, your voice is not
It's clear, but voice is not clear.
Ma'am, all
Yes,
things
ma'am. Voice
clear.
is not clear.
Voice is coming now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear voice.
नहीं तो साहब को बता बोलता राजा नाम अरे अच्छे मार तुम्हारे में
वही दे रहे हैं.
Yes. Yes. Now voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Clear. Sir, ma'am.
Okay. Now, present perfect continuous tense. Put heading all of you. Sadman, is it clear now? I was sitting there. Take some space. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay, board is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
continuous tense. This is last tense of the present tense. Okay, present perfect. See, open book number. Page number 33. Open in your book.
Ma'am, it is the tense which is.
Yes, see, the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action that began in the past and is going on till the present. ना किस action के बारे में ये बात करता है? Which begins in the past, जो past में शुरू हुआ है, but is going on till the present. But in present time still still going on. You mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, see, I have been learning Hindustani music since I was 10 years old. Since I was 10 years old means क्या मीनिंग निकली सेंटेंस की कि जब मैं 10 साल का था तब से मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक लर्न कर रहा हूँ मीन्स जब वो 10 साल का था मीन्स पास्ट में ये वर्क स्टार्ट हुआ बट स्टिल इट इज गोइंग ऑन मीन्स the work, the action has been started in the past, but is still in the present time. It is also going on. Okay? Here, next one, see. To talk about an action that began in the past and has just ended. So action past में start हुआ, but तुरंत just this. Just now it has ended. Now,
बता रही हूँ और तो खुला ही है।
इधर देखो पहले कितना बजे?
हाँ 33 हुआ है।
इधर देखो
व्हाट्सएप खुला।
इधर देखो
अब नहीं करेंगे ठीक है अब नहीं करेंगे चैट की सेटिंग
muted all the students now. There will be no noise. You all are making lots of noise. Okay. Now I am dictating. You all write. Write in your copy. Firstly put heading present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action in the past and is going on till till the present. Next point. We generally use specific words like since, for, to give some time period, such as colon lagai, put a colon, such as since Monday, since SINCE, since Monday, comma, for 5 years, for FOR, for 5 years, and so on, to indicate the Passage of time. Passage of time. Next heading, since. 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 Now, right? Since is used. Next point now. Since is heading now. Right here. Since is used to indicate the beginning of a time. Beginning, B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Beginning of a time period until the present. Until the present. Full stop. Generally, since will have a specific day. Generally, since will have a specific day, comma, event or time mentioned. Mentioned. Full stop. Now next heading, for. For is used when we are talking about an amount of time. Amount, A-M-O-U-N-T, amount of time. How long something happens. How long something happens. S लगा लीजिए, happens. S should be there. ठीक है? In present perfect continuous tense, there should be, क्या बताया? Means the action have begun in the past, but it is still going on. In the present time, it is still going on, or just now it has ended. या तो वो जो पास्ट में किया गया जो वर्क है वो अभी भी चल रहा होगा, या वो अभी अभी फिनिश हुआ होगा. ठीक है? और इसमें आपको दो वर्ड देखने को मिलेंगे, सिंस एंड फॉर. सिंस एंड फॉर. तो ये पता ही है सिंस और फॉर का यूज क्या होता है. सिंस मीन्स पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड फॉर मीन्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. जहां पे एक एग्जैक्ट टाइम दिया होता है वहां पे हम क्या लगाते हैं, सिंस. और जहां पर हमारा टाइम एग्जैक्ट नहीं होता तो वहां हम क्या लगाते हैं, फॉर. जैसे हमने कहा आई हैव बीन रीडिंग सिंस 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock से मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मीन्स एग्जैक्ट टाइम है ना 2 o'clock, मीन्स जब 2 बजे तक से मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. और इफ आई एम सेइंग आई हैव बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours, certain ना, तो वो क्या बता रहा है, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम की पढ़ाई हमारी 2 घंटे चली, बट सिंस क्या बताता है, मीन्स मैं 2 बजे से पढ़ रहा हूँ, मीन्स 2 o'clock से पढ़ रहा हूँ, मीन्स एग्जैक्ट टाइम। डिफरेंस समझ में आया दोनों में? सिंस मीन्स तो लिखते हो ना तुम लोग, यू आर राइटिंग लेटर ना एप्लीकेशन, आई हैव बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर सिंस लास्ट नाइट, एग्जैक्ट टाइम ना, सिंस मीन्स कल रात से ना, लास्ट नाइट नहीं लिख रहे हैं कि कितने बजे, नॉट गिवन ना, सिंस लास्ट नाइट मीन्स कल रात से मेरी एग्जैक्टली रात से मेरी तबीयत खराब थी, ठीक है, दैट इज point of time and that is period of time. चलिए, when you will do the practice then it will be very clear to you. Okay? Now next heading is structure. What is the structure of the present perfect continuous tense? Put heading structure. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस परफेक्ट भी है एंड कॉन्टिन्यूअस भी, तो परफेक्ट का क्या रूल था, हैज हैव प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लगाएंगे, हैज हैव, सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट, एक मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट, सिंगुलर पॉजिटिव, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, सॉरी वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी plus object plus since or for anyone, ठीक है, according to the time, if period of time since, sorry, if point of time since, if period of time for, okay. Now plural, subject plus have, plural में क्या लगाते हैं हम लोग, what we use in plural, have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for, clear? निगेटिव, निगेटिव में क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी इन द निगेटिव, सिंगुलर, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज प्लस नॉट प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस सिंस और for, मार्कर नहीं है क्या, मार्कर done. Now plural, subject plus have plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus since and or for, put their values also. So he has been reading a book since 2 o'clock. Okay? Plural. I have been reading a book for 2 hours. Okay? Here, he has not reading. He has not been reading a book since 2 o'clock. Since 2 o'clock. I have not been reading a book since night. Okay? Now, next interrogative. Interrogative. Singular. What I have told you, how you will make the interrogative. Yesterday I have told you na. You have to put the helping verb at the first in the sentence. Has plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for. Plural. Have question mark. Have plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for. Okay? Like this. All of you make a proper copy. Board is clear to you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, in
ma'am.
negative,
Full
ma'am,
board
in
नहीं है
negative there is no subject.
Where negative there is no subject.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. In negative, singular and plural, not object. Object is not there.
Yes, object will be there. Here write object. Yes, write object. Object
I'm confused.
for.
मैम मैंने लिख लिया था.
Yes, good. Don't speak in Hindi. Object plus since and for. Object, everywhere you have to write object. Okay? You all make correction.
I have written earlier.
This is visible to you. This is written very light, in light color.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Visible ma'am.
Okay, okay.
हिसाब लगा. चलो.
Okay, subject plus have plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since and for. Okay. Now come to the book exercise. Book exercise. Open J. Page number 34.
Ma'am, open.
Page number. Yes. Now this is done. I am going to raise it. This is done.
Done. Ma'am, done.
Yes ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Yes ma'am, done.
number 34. Exercise J. Number 1. Can you please help me? To solve this problem since morning.
I'm trying.
Yeah, exact time है ना?
Trying, ma'am, trying.
Morning. हाँ? क्या लगेगा आपके पास?
Ma'am, have been.
I have
Been.
tried. You all mute yourself.
देखा ट्राइंग हम बोले ना.
I think number 2. Firstly, do in book with your pencil, then do in copy. Okay? Number 2. I think it is time to go home. The children
Have been swimming.
is swimming in the pool quite some time now. Have been swimming.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है. देखो कंटिन्यूअस ऊपर लिखा हुआ है.
Hey, who is this? Shubham. You mute yourself, otherwise I will mute you all. Next, the tree leaves. The whole of last week there were very few leaves left now. The tree
Has been
shedding. The tree has been shedding.
शेडी. मैम शेडी.
Number 4. We are work in this manner all these years.
Ma'am, we have been
have been doing.
we have been doing.
Have been doing.
Doing. Come on, get up. You the whole afternoon. You have been. You have been sleeping.
आंटी जी
ये होम्योपैथिक वाली खाना खा लिया था. ये 2 चम्मच कहाँ से?
Okay, now the telephone for so long. Why have you not answered it? The telephone has been ringing. Akshar's dog. The whole afternoon. It must be really sick. Akshar's dog has been winning. Now next, Utsav all afternoon. No wonder his fingers are aching now. Utsav has been typing. 8 number. Has been typing. Visible? Board is visible to you? Has been typing. Now, next. The Shetties in his house all their lives. We cannot ask them to leave now. The Shetties. What will be there? Have been living. Have been living. Have been living. India. Many natural disasters over the last few years. India has been witnessing. Okay? Sit properly, you all. Okay? This is over. This exercise is over. Do it in your copy. And tomorrow we will do next exercise. Okay? Now your time is over. I am winding up the class. If you want to ask anything, you can.
Thank you.
Ma'am, please
ask.
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Send your question on my WhatsApp number. Okay, now I am done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ma'am.